Model, 61-plate Citroën Relay 35L3H2 HDI 120 6-speed Enterprise camper, very nice conversion. Body, white, camper. Mileage, 120781. MOT, the 29th of April 2025. Engine, 2198 CCF1 CE0481D, 120 bhp. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear camping area is in decent, average condition. Features, EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.